Now let's begin with the revision of the detailed question and answers. And the first question is, which is the most densely populated continent? Why it is so? Asia is the most densely populated continent because first, Asia has both India and China, and we already know that China is the most populated country in the world, and India is the second populated country in the world. And fortunately, both these countries, that is India and China, they lie in the continent of Asia, thereby making Asia the most densely populated continent in the world. And secondly, Asia is the largest continent. If you would look at the picture given in your book, you will find that Asia is the largest of all the seven continents, and therefore a large number of the world's population lives here or resides here, thereby again making Asia the most densely populated continent in the world. Fine. And now the second question is, why does the Atlantic Ocean have the best ports? Atlantic Ocean has the best ports. Firstly, the ocean has the shape of letter S. So the picture taken from the satellite, they shows that the Atlantic Oceans look like the shape of the letter S, which gives or which adds to the beauty of the ocean. And secondly, the coastline of the Atlantic Ocean is quite irregular, which makes it unique or different from other oceans or other continents. That is why the Atlantic Ocean have the best of the ports, and it provides the excellent location for ports and harbors. The third question is, write a short note on the biggest continent in the world. And which is the biggest continent in the world? Asia is the biggest continent in the world, and it is surrounded by water on the three sides. It has the Pacific Ocean in the east and the Arctic Ocean in the north side and the Indian Ocean towards its south, thereby covering the continent of Asia with water from three sides. And almost 60% of the world's population, it lives in Asia. So almost 60% of the total population of the world, they are living in Asia. The fourth question is, how are oceans important to us? We all know that oceans are very important for us. How? First, they are home to wide variety of marine life. The oceans, they provide home to the wide variety of aquatic animals and plants. They are home to octopus, they are home to sharks, fish, turtles, and many other aquatic plants. Secondly, they act as a medium of transportation. So, through water transportation, we can transport the passengers as well as the goods and services from one place to another. So, they are the medium of transportations. They help us transporting the passengers and the cargo through ships. And lastly, they have a moderating influence on the climate. The tides and the waves which appears in the ocean, they regulate the climate of the earth. They have a due impact on the climate of the earth. So they influence the climate of the earth. So that is why the oceans are very important. That's it. We are done with this chapter, and you will learn the questions thoroughly. You will read the chapter, and you will learn the brief questions as well as the detailed questions and answers. Thank you and have a nice day.